Good evening and welcome to yet another London vlog. So tonight the plan is to go up the building called Centre Point, which is a high-rise in the middle of London. So it's a newly renovated building that hasn't even opened to the public yet, and even when it does, it's only going to be residential apartments. So it's super cool to have been invited and have that special opportunity to get the view you ordinarily wouldn't be able to see. So it was really cool of the developers to invite me, and I thought I'd bring a couple friends along and make a party of it and spend the evening there shooting the sunset as well as a little bit post-sunset to get just the perfect shots of the London skyline. So yeah, really excited to head over there now and try out a new view, because I kind of feel like in London I've tried all the normal views over and over and over, kind of sick and tired of shooting the same places again and again. So it's good to have a fresh perspective, no pun intended, and yeah, let's see what we can make of this day. So today has been a really overcast day. It's been raining, the weather's been super poor all day, but it's actually been so poor to the point that multiple people asked me if we could cancel, including the organizer. So I said, hang on, let's just listen to the BBC, because their weather report's generally quite accurate, and yet again it was super accurate. And the lesson learned here is that if you plan your photo shoots properly and with a bit of blind faith, trust the BBC weather report, take an estimated guess, and often you can get great results. So that also allows me as a photographer to use my time wisely, because I don't want to waste my time heading out and getting poor conditions, which is everything when it comes to landscape photography. The weather is almost your main contributor to making a great image. So by planning your shoots properly, finding out where the sun sets, what the weather is going to be, makes all the difference to getting a good shot and using your time effectively and investing your time well to get good results. So I hope this investment today pays off, but time will tell. Let's go and make this happen. So this right here is the building we're headed up, and we're not going to go all the way to the top, unfortunately, because the showroom flat's actually only on the 20th floor, but I think 20th floor still sounds pretty good to me, and I reckon we'll get a good view from there too. So we made it into the apartment and we got this place all to ourselves, and it's looking amazing. Can't believe London has apartments like this, super jealous, and I gotta show you guys this place, give you the grand tour. And this isn't even the penthouse or anything like that, it's just one of the normal apartments, but it looks, wow, so beautiful. So here we've got the study, and of course, amazing views of London coming from the study. You got the top of the British Museum over there with its iconic roof. And then over here, huge living room, super beautiful, and that's us set up for our photos. That's my tripod, Ben's, Antoine's back there getting the bangers right now, and of course, what are we pointing the tripods at? That's obvious. Just got the sunset here. It's actually the sun is setting behind us, so we've got this well-lit scene back here of the City of London skyline, looking just phenomenal. The shot glowing of the sunset back here in one Blackfriars, and right at the end there, just pointing at it now, is Tower Bridge, which you can just make out, and over here St. Paul's Cathedral is also looking awesome. So just been using the long lens, zooming into various lengths all the way up to 300mm just to pick out some details in that skyline. So really happy with the results so far, and can't wait to show you those to you guys. And then back here, this apartment also has a kitchen. Wouldn't want the residents to go hungry, of course. That's here. Little pantry. And let's go check out the bedrooms. So there's 3 of them in total. One more spectacular than the other. Starting off number 1. That's cool. Ensuite bathroom, of course. And this is the view from the other side of the building. So down here is Oxford Street. Just look at how small those buses are from all the way up here. That's crazy. And over here, facing directly into the sunset, is the BT Tower. Look at those tones. Wow! Imagine coming home to this every night. That's me. And let's move on to bedroom number 2, which Damien's occupying right now. Also love the furniture they've got going on in this place, because they've got it all showroom style right now, with some LP players and all kinds of stuff, which is why I think Damien picked this room. Bedroom number 2, ensuite of course. Similar view over Oxford Street. And moving on to bedroom number 3. Feels like I'm walking in on Antoine and Ben in bedroom number 3, which is a bit weird, but I'll let you do your thing. And that's what this is all about. Another crazy view over Oxford Street. And that concludes this little house tour. So just seeing this apartment is unreal. That's a vlog in itself, I think. But yeah, we primarily came here to obviously get the skyline, because that's what I'm all about. And my friends Ben, Antoine and Damien, who featured in many of my previous vlogs, we have all a similar kind of style of shooting, where we just love London shots, getting those skylight shots in, and yeah, couldn't be better. So the weather's playing along perfectly, got just the right amount of drama for those clouds, and shots are looking amazing. So super chuffed we got this opportunity to come out here and make this happen. So I just made it back home now. Not quite the same level of luxury going on right here, but it's my home regardless, and I'm happy here. So what an amazing night. The views were incredible, really happy with the shots. Weather couldn't be any more perfect, some moody clouds going on, and obviously accompanied by great company. I'm going to give those guys a shout out in the comments below. If you want to see their photos of tonight, head over to their Instagram and check them out, and give them a follow if you like what you see. Anyway, since these surroundings are a little bit less exciting than where we started the evening, I think this is a good time to end the video. So thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you in future adventures. If you're new around here, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Also, really appreciate it if you could give me a like and a comment below, because that helps this channel grow, and I'd love your support there as well. Anyway, good night guys, bye.